We talk about solving problems is the difference between what's actually happening and the target, or what needs to be happening. So we want to close that gap. But to do that, to close our process gaps in our organization, we also need to close the process gaps in how we're showing up as leaders. And there's an acronym in English to help you remember the 4 key behaviors that will really accelerate your impact in your organization to really create this culture of continuous improvement. It goes with gaps. The first is go see. Go to Gemba. Go to the place the work actually happens. The second, ask more questions. Lead with curiosity. Third, pause, hold space. And the fourth, study and reflect. So to close the gaps in our organization, we need to practice the gaps behaviors for ourselves as leaders. Let's explore what this looks like a little bit. The first, go see. What's really critical here, and we explored this in the workshop yesterday, is that it's really important not just to go see to look at process, but to go see with purpose. What is your real purpose there? Instead of just walking around, go see with purpose for 2 things. To check in with the people, to show that you care and develop those relationships and how they're doing. And 2, then check on the process. How are you helping ensure that processes are going the way they need to? What help do your people need to continuously improve? In English, I use these 2 words, check in with people and check on process, very intentionally. We're not wanting to check on the people, in a way that might feel punitive or that you're checking the box if they did everything. We want to check on the process and how they're doing with the process, and then check in with them as human beings. When we go see, we also want to make the invisible visible. How can we see what the work is, what's happening in the work? How can we help make problems visible? How do we welcome bad news so that we can help our teams then solve the problem so it's not hidden and buried? Because the bad news, the things are already happening. You might not be seeing them.